totally rearranged our garage to fit these two bikes because we're going to go camping and we're going to ride around and make a little video about these bikes. One there, rearrange a little bit. How difficult was that?
Not very bad at all. Once we figured out a method, if you bungee cord it together, it helps, right, make it slightly less awkward when you're lifting it. And end to end works, and then you use the lower portion of the garage to store all your stuff.
Yeah, so pro tip, if you're packing foldable bikes, you should bungee them before you lift them up and put them somewhere.
Makes it a lot easier.
Luckily, we had a couple bungees available right next to us. Not luckily, that was skillfully planned by yours truly.
You asked, we delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wisely and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join. And don't forget to get your Spreco merchandise at the Spreco shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wisely. We love you.
What level are you on your bike?
2. What level are you on?
5 now, but I was on 4 a second ago. Now I'm using my throttle.
Using your throttle?
Whoa.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just going off-road.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning. And I've got my throttle all the way down.
Okay.
Has a little bit of a tough time on these steep hills. It's pretty steep, right?
I'm just pedaling.
What'd you say that is, about a 90% grade?
90? All right, so here we have our HOVSCO HovBeta bike. First, beautiful color. I have the purple, John has the red, both kind of automotive grade paint. Looks super sharp. The other thing you'll notice is the fat tires. We have 20x4 tires on these bikes, which for a bike this size, I feel is really good. Gives you a lot of traction. You can be on-road or off-road and still feel secure.
And you can also air down and go on the beach.
Ooh, air down. 180 millimeter rotors.
Which are pretty standard on this size bike.
Mm-hmm. And we have front suspension, which is really nice on a bike like this.
Yes.
Makes the ride a lot cushier.
How much travel do they have?
They have 45 millimeters of travel.
Well, there you go.
These bikes have a torque sensor as opposed to a cadence sensor. And a torque sensor adjusts your motor power based on how hard you're pedaling, which creates a smoother, more natural ride. So you don't feel kind of that herky-jerky that you might in a cadence sensor. At this price point, that is something that is really important to point out. Very special.
Yeah, because these bikes are right now retailing for $10.99, and if you use my discount code in the description, you can save $100.
So, check out the link in the description. Get yourself a HOVSCO for $100 off. Another nice feature about this bike, it has a 450-pound payload capacity. And I know that sounds like a lot, right? Like, how would I ever need that much?
That's basically both of us.
Yes. So it's, you have to consider, you have whoever's riding the bike, maybe you have a bigger, taller person, right? But also they come with these nice racks. You can add a basket back here so you could have cargo. When John and I lived in Coronado, we often rode our e-bikes into town to do grocery shopping or just regular shopping. So, having 20 or 30 extra pounds of cargo on the bike is actually not as crazy as it sounds.
No, it's not.
So having a 450-pound payload capacity, ideal. There's 90 Newton meters of torque. Another great feature about these bikes, so the display is really sharp, has very clear display, but the other thing you can do besides just having the information in the display is you can connect to the HOVSCO app, both iOS or Android. So regardless of what kind of phone you have, you can see what's happening with your bike on the app, not just on your actual display.
I will say the display is a little hard to read in direct sunlight. With the camera here, it shows that it's blinking, but it's not actually blinking. That's just the video.
Right.
But yeah, no, it's actually a nice display.
Yeah. Another great feature about the HOVSCO, 15-day return policy. So you get the bike for whatever reason. Something isn't what you thought it would be, or there's an issue with it, 15-day return policy. But even better, 2-year warranty on these bikes.
That's unheard of for e-bikes.
Everything is 1 year or less. A 2-year warranty is just outstanding. Other huge plus, 3-day shipping. It's not an extra fee, it's not an add-on, it's standard. And if you have ordered an e-bike in the last year, you know that it can take up to 4 or 6 weeks sometimes to get an e-bike. It's on a slow boat sometimes. These are coming 3-day shipping, and we can attest we got our bikes like that.
3 days on the dot.
They're also UL 2849 and safety certified. What that means is the wiring is all in compliance.
Right.
When you charge your bike, it's all safety certified for US standards.
Yeah, that's really important because a lot of people store their bikes in the house nowadays.
Yes, we do.
We do.
We have an entire dining room full of e-bikes. Another really cool feature, which I don't think I have had on an e-bike previously, or if I did, I didn't know it, is walking mode. So, and this actually, for me, on this bike is not as big a deal. This is actually a really nice weight of a bike. It's not super heavy. I have another one, very heavy. And when I try and walk it like up the sidewalk to get into my house, it's a thing. Like, it's an effort. So having a walking mode on your e-bike is really nice. Sometimes you get to an area where you can't keep riding. Maybe you're walking into a bike rack where you're gonna park, or you're walking up towards your house. Having a little assist from the motor just makes that push a little easier. I wasn't sure if I would love the HOVSCO or not. It's always a crapshoot, right? I have an e-bike, which I really like, and I did a ton of research to find that bike. I had very specific style that I wanted, features that I wanted and needed, and I have to tell you that the HovBeta is really making me think about changing out my primary e-bike and going with the HovBeta. Couple reasons. Size of the bike. For me, I'm 5'2". I don't have to have the seat all the way down in order to be able to reach. John, 6'3", seat up, still a comfortable bike for him. Handlebars are also adjustable. The weight of this bike. It is not overly heavy. It feels really sturdy though. It doesn't feel flimsy, but it's not so heavy that I can't lift it myself, I can't push it myself, and I don't feel like the bike is riding me versus me riding the bike, which on my other one, sometimes I feel like the bike is winning. I'm not winning.
And this bike might be half the price of your other bike.
This bike is just about half the price of my other bike. It also has the ability to add a basket back here, which I haven't done yet, but if this was gonna be my primary bike, I absolutely would. I am all about the basket.
Right.
I like to be able to carry things with me. I also love that it's foldable, right? You can fold it up, put it in the back of the RV, even the back of the Subaru. Makes it a little bit easier to transport. You're not always having to get out the bike rack. Overall, the HOVSCO HovBeta performed better than we expected, is a true contender in the mid to low price point range with high-end e-bike features. So great feature about the HOVSCO HovBeta is walking mode. So you push your finger on the minus button and the motor kicks in. I'm just basically balancing the bike at this point and it is doing all the work.
Okay, so Jodi wanted me to check out the walking mode because she says it's very cool and it really helps you with the bike, and it kind of like, you know.
It is.
You gotta hang on.
You feel it.
You gotta hang on to it. Let's see.
Me too. Get away from you a little bit.
Okay, let me start over here.
It caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie, but
Let's
it's
see.
nice.
I'm ready.
Go.
Hey,
See?
I'm walking.
That first, it really moves the bike.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.